Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Whirlpool brand 9 kg front loader washing machine. That machine actually is not working at all. That means from the beginning, if I am selecting any option at the same time it's showing F11 error message. That means it's related with the drain, actually drain motor that our field all the technicians know. While the Whirlpool brand, after selecting any option from the beginning, it should all the remaining water from the tub it should go out. If it is not going, that means if not working drain pump. At the same time it's showing F11 error message. Now we will check what is the exactly problem, why it's showing error message. Now I have to check A to Z and we will go to the next step. I will show you the problem. Now I already given power connection. I am selecting here rapid 30. Now I will start the machine. Now door already got locked. Water taken to the machine. Now you can see here it's showing F11 error. Now you know the problem. Now from the beginning its water will take it little bit water taken to the tub. After that it should drain actually all the remaining water, but it's not pump not working. Because of that only it's showing F11 error. Now I have to check pump, what is the problem exactly, because that is the reason. Now anyway we will check the pump first. After that we have to check if it is pump defect, we have to replace the pump and we will go to the next step. Lock, here also 3 locks are here. After that we can remove. It's like that will come. Now we have to check here drain pump. If it is something block or something, it's happening F011. Also F05 also is chance to come. But anyway, now door already got. Door also we are not able to take it out. That means we are not able to open the door because already door lock here. You can see here indicator. Now we have to check the drain pump, and now we have to open here drain pump cup. We can check here all the remaining water will come out. Inside is actually very clear, no any remaining dirty or something. Now we have to check the pump. After that only we can identify. What we can do, we have to lay down little bit machine here. After that we have to remove these 2 screws. After that we will check pump continuity. If it is pump defect, we have to replace the pump. After that we can check, and I will lay down the machine here. Now I am going to remove the pump here. Here pump, it is very too much hot actually, it's very warm. Here friends, actually I found the problem. This one gone inside. This one here with the impeller only, it's already came out. This is the reason pump not working. Anyway, we will check the continuity. Just there it's showing continuity. Yes, pump should be work. Actually it's showing continuity, you can see here. That means no any problem with the pump. But anyway we will remove here. It's nothing to show anything here. Pump should work now. This is the problem. This one already gone inside. That's why impeller not rotating. Now we will check whether something is still having.
Second one is
second one also came, and also another one. This is the reason pump not working. Now it's clear. Now I will remove the clamp also here. We will check again. Maybe something is still inside having. Now you can see here, still having dirt, having still. This is the reason pump not working. Now we will check again after fixing. Before fixing, we will give here 230 power here. This one we can check 240, 50 hertz. We will give direct current and we will check. Now if it is pump okay, it should work now. I'm going to give direct power. Yes, my dear friends, pump is working now. This is the problem. This one already got block points. I'm telling to my all the customers and who are watching my channel, before call the technician, you have to check A to Z like that. It's small issue. You can resolve at your home by yourself. If it is calling to the technician, they will charge more money, unnecessary, no need to waste your money. Now our problem already got resolved. Now I have to fix pump. That means pump no any issue. Problem with the impeller got stuck with the point. Now I will give the power connection again here. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the pump as same before here. Now I can fix drain pump cup also. I already given power connection again. Again as same before, I'm selecting here a rapid 30. And I will start the machine. I given already power connection, water connection, everything. You can see here taking water. Yes, water take into the machine. Now machine will get start without any problem. If it is this situation, if F0, F11, also F05 also related with the same issue, drain issue. If it is occurring another time, I will show you F05 also. Now machine should run without any problem. Still taking water into the machine. Yes, dear friends, you can see here now, machine is running well without any problem. Our problem already got resolved. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.